I just found a new way to create and rank affiliate blogs on Google faster than ever using AI. And in this video, I'm sharing exactly how you can do this too. I get a lot of questions about not only how to create AI-generated content, but also how to rank your content on Google as fast as possible. So I created this full tutorial to show you exactly how it's done. I also created a full step-by-step checklist that you can download to help you put everything together. And don't worry, the checklist is completely free for anyone who wants to learn how to use AI to create content that actually ranks on Google. But first, let's start by addressing the big question everyone's always worried about. Doesn't Google hate AI-generated content? The truth? No. Google doesn't actually care whether you use AI to write your content or you write the content yourself. What Google does care about is one thing and one thing only. Is your content high quality? And is it actually helpful or valuable to your readers? More specifically, Google is looking for something called EEAT, which stands for experience, expertise, authority, and trust. If your content includes all four of these things, Google will view it as high quality and will rank it higher in the Google search results. And what makes content really stand out is when you include your own knowledge and experiences, things that AI alone can't create. So how do you get AI to create written content for you that includes EEAT? It starts with choosing the right niche to write about. Choosing the right niche includes two parts. First, it has to be something that you know about or are really passionate about. And second, it has to be a topic that's actually profitable. Do not listen to any YouTuber or so-called coach that tells you to simply pick something you're passionate about or personally like, and then use that as your niche, because that's only half the monetization equation. Your niche has to be something that's profitable, so you can actually monetize it. And by profitable, I mean something that a lot of other people are both interested in and are already spending a lot of money within. Not every niche falls into this category, but for me, it's online business and tech. Ever since I was a kid, I always loved inventing new ways to make money, and I've always loved anything related to tech. And as I got older, I got really good at creating and growing online businesses of my own. So it was only natural for me to start creating content within this niche or topic. My experience has given me insights beginners wouldn't know about, but maybe you know a lot about fitness, art, fashion, or cooking. As long as your passion is something that a lot of other people are also interested in, there's potential to make money online with it. But if you're really stuck on picking a niche and don't know what to choose, you can use AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude AI to give you some ideas like you can see I'm doing on my screen right here. All you need to do is give it a simple prompt. But choosing your niche is only part of the battle when it comes to making money online by ranking on Google. The next thing you need to do is pick a domain that fits your niche, so that people know what your website is all about. Now, a domain URL doesn't exactly affect your SEO, but a domain name can indirectly influence your ranking. Your domain name also ties very closely into the EEAT acronym, because searchers on Google prefer domain names that are short, memorable, and trustworthy. But the big problem most beginners run into is that most good, short, and trustworthy domain names that end in .com are already taken, or they're extremely expensive to buy. That's why I suggest you use a new .online domain extension instead of .com. Domain name www.businesscoach.com, it's not available. But if I try to buy www.businesscoach.online, it's available for me to purchase. Plus, with the word online being understood in over 24 languages and searched for more than 500 million times per month, it makes your new .online domain name extremely SEO friendly. So it's no wonder why .online domain names are the second most popular new domain extension in the world. So to get your new .online domain name for just 99 cents, you want to head over to the get.online website by clicking the link down below or through my video checklist. Then purchase a new .online domain for your site that fits your niche. But one pro tip I highly suggest is that you use a popular keyword for your new .online domain name. And don't forget to keep it as short as possible, which actually brings me to the next important part of this strategy. Because now that you've chosen your niche and have your trustworthy new domain name, the next thing you need to do is find low competition keywords that you can actually rank for on Google. So let me show you a way to use AI to find these keywords without having to spend a lot of money on expensive SEO tools. First, come over to the AI app called Perplexity. There's a link to this app down below or in my video checklist. Now, you can use Perplexity AI for free, but in full transparency, I personally use a paid account because a pro account gives you access to the latest AI models and features. Once you create your account, to get started, type in the prompt you see on my screen right here. You can copy and paste this prompt directly from my video checklist, so you don't have to type it out. Just make sure you add your niche to the prompt before submitting it. Then, once you hit enter, Perplexity will provide a list of high-ranking keywords within your niche, along with their estimated monthly search volume. So what you want to do is pick a medium or longer tail keyword from the list that has medium to low competition while having a decent amount of monthly searches. And why you want to choose a medium or long tail keyword is because they're much easier to rank for, and also much easier to write content about, which I'll show you how to do using AI in just a second. But first, once you've picked your first keyword, the next thing you need to do is enter one last prompt. This second prompt will show you exactly what people are searching for on Google that's related to your keyword, so that you can create content that solves these exact searches. So copy and paste this prompt that you see right here from my video checklist. Then hit enter, and you'll have a whole list of ideas that you can use to create content that people are actually searching for. Which brings me to the last point of this tutorial, which is how do you write content that will actually rank on Google? Now, the problem that most beginners run into with this part is that you think that you have to write all of the content yourself, which thankfully is no longer true with the help of AI. Or another problem is that most people use ChatGPT to write their content and then wonder why it doesn't rank. The problem with using ChatGPT to write your SEO-focused content is that ChatGPT was not specifically created to write SEO ranking content for Google. And to get it to do this the right way, you need to be pretty experienced in AI prompt engineering. Now, if you want to learn how to write advanced AI prompts, you can get my AI prompt engineering guide down below or in my video checklist. But thankfully, I found another AI app that was specifically created just for writing SEO ranking content. All you need to do is give it a keyword and it will create SEO-friendly titles, articles, and blog posts that will actually rank on Google. And what's even better is it will automatically post all of your content right to your website for you. And if that wasn't enough, this AI app creates text-based content that is completely undetectable as AI generated. The AI app I'm talking about is called SEO Writing AI. You can get access to this app by clicking the link down below or in the video checklist. So head on over to the SEO Writing AI website and create your account. Once you've done that, you want to click on the one-click blog post option. Then all you need to do is enter your keyword selected from the previous step or one of the main problems that people are searching for from Google. Then hit the Generate Title button. And SEO Writing AI will create a perfect SEO-friendly title for your content. Next, to get SEO Writing to actually write your content for you, you can change any of these options that you like. But here's the ones that I suggest you edit at the very least. First, you want to make sure that the SEO model that you select is the most recent model possible. Next, change the country to the United States. Then, change the humanized text option to the 6th grade level. Then scroll down to the Media Hub and you'll see that SEO Writing AI will even generate images for your content as well. That way, you don't have to use a completely different app to do this step. Next, scroll down again and you'll come to the SEO section, where you can either enter some of the keywords that Perplexity AI created for you, or you can get SEO Writing AI to generate your keywords for you by clicking this button. The last option you want to turn on is the Connect to Web option by selecting Yes right here. This will allow SEO Writing AI to connect to the internet and find current, accurate data to add to your content. And the last step is to scroll all the way down to the bottom and select this option so that the content automatically is posted to your website. Now, one quick thing that I need to point out is that this only works with WordPress websites right now. But don't worry, because I have a workaround if you don't have a WordPress website. So make sure you keep watching. Once you've done that, scroll all the way back up to the top and click on the Run button. Then SEO Writing AI will get to work, and after just a few minutes, it will create the perfect SEO ranking article for you. Here you can see exactly what it will look like. It includes all of your titles, written text, and images. It also includes all of your high-ranking keywords. Of course, you want to make sure you actually read the article to verify that the information the AI created for you is true and accurate. Because AI-generated content is great, but it still needs the guidance of real humans to make sure it's on the right track. And if you selected the WordPress connection, the article will automatically be posted directly to your website. But if you don't have a WordPress website, all you need to do is copy and paste the article into whichever website builder you personally use. Now, if you're using this as an affiliate blog post, the last thing that you need to do is make sure you add your personal affiliate links to this article. But the process that I just showed you will work for any type of content. Now, for those of you who made it all the way through this tutorial and are actually serious about ranking on Google and making the most amount of money online, here's a bonus tip for you. Don't just write posts randomly. Plan out your content so that each post builds on the previous ones by using a content calendar. This helps establish your authority in your chosen niche, which ties back to our EEAT acronym and also keeps readers coming back for more. This will tell Google that your viewers love your content and will help you rank higher in Google search results. And when you continue creating content like this consistently, you'll start seeing more visitors coming to your blog from Google, and that will result on more people clicking your affiliate links. The secret to this strategy is combining your real-life knowledge with AI's help to create valuable content that truly serves your readers. And remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It could take some time to see consistent results with this. But if you follow this method and are determined to succeed, you can create profitable, consistent income that will continue making money for you for years to come.